Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to be practicing memorizing the division math facts for the numbers 1 through 12. Are you ready? Let's go! Now before we begin, let's talk about what is division. When we divide in math, we are separating an amount into equal parts. For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies, and I want to evenly share them between myself and 2 friends. How do I know how many cookies to give each person so that we will all have the same amount? Well, we could use division. We could also just pass out the cookies to see how many each person gets. Let's do that first, and then we will talk about how we could use a division problem to help us. So let's start by giving 1 cookie to each person. Here's 1 for me, and 1 for each of my friends. Now I have passed out 1 cookie to each person, but I still have 1, 2, 3 cookies left. So that means that there are enough for each of us to have 1 more. So let's pass out 1 more cookie to each of us. Here is another one for me, and 1 more for each of our friends. So that means that we each get 2 cookies. We could use numbers to write an equation to show what we just did. We started with 6 cookies, and then we shared them equally between 3 people and found out that each person gets 2 cookies. One important thing to note is that in this practice video, we are only going to be working with whole numbers, and we will only be practicing with numbers that are evenly divisible. That means that our answers will not have any remainders or fractions or decimals. Looking at our cookie example, we can see that 6 is evenly divisible by 3. Our answer is a whole number, the number 2. There are not any leftover cookies. Everybody got the same amount. Let's review. In our division problems, each number has a name. The largest number that we are dividing into smaller groups or parts is called the dividend. In this equation, the 6 is our dividend. The number of groups we are making, or the number we are dividing by, is called the divisor. In this equation, the number 3 is our divisor. And our answer, or how many are in each group, is called the quotient. And there are 2 in each group in this equation. There are many ways that division problems can be written. You might see a division problem written with a symbol that looks like this. Or you might see a slash mark. Or you might see a number like this, like a fraction with a line. Or you might see a symbol like this one. Even though there are different symbols used in different ways that we can write division problems, all of these equations are telling us the same thing. They each mean 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Another helpful tip is that division is the opposite of multiplication. So if you have your multiplication times tables memorized, you already know the answers to the division problems that we are practicing in this video. For example, let's say you are asked to solve the equation 56 divided by 8, but you don't remember the answer. It would take a little while to divide 56 into 8 equal groups on paper, which is why getting these math facts memorized is so helpful. But if you don't have them memorized yet, that's okay. If you remember that division is the opposite of multiplication, that will help you find the correct answers, because the numbers in each equation will be the same. Do you remember how fact families work? Each equation will have the same 3 numbers. They will just be in a different order. You can see 8 and 8 and 56 are the same numbers. So whatever this number is in our multiplication problem will be the answer to our division problem. So what we'll do is we'll take our dividend from our division problem and make that the answer of our multiplication problem. The other number is one of the factors in our multiplication problem. So now all we have to do is think 8 times what number equals 56. Did you say 7? Good job, that is the correct answer. 8 times 7 equals 56. So if 8 times 7 equals 56, then I now know that 56 divided by 8 equals 7. Do you see how the numbers in both equations are the same? These are fact families. So we can see how having your multiplication times tables memorized can be very helpful to solve and memorize division problems. Okay, now we're going to start practicing and memorizing the division facts for the numbers 1 through 12. We will start by dividing by the number 1. We are going to take the numbers 1 through 12 and divide them each by the number 1. Now you'll notice when we are dividing by the number 1, our answers are the same as our dividend. That is because we are just making the total number that we start with into one group. So if our dividend is 1, our answer is 1. If our dividend is 2 and we divide by 1, our answer is 2. This will be the same for all of these practice equations. All right, we are going to begin by saying the equations and the answers together. I'd like you to say these with me because the more that you say them and practice them, the more you will begin to master them. And if you'd like a little bit more of a challenge, go ahead and see if you can say the answer faster than I do. Okay, are you ready? Let's go! 1 divided by 1 equals 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 4 divided by 1 equals 4. 5 divided by 1 equals 5. 6 divided by 1 equals 6. 7 divided by 1 equals 7. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. 9 divided by 1 equals 9. 10 divided by 1 equals 10. 11 divided by 1 equals 11. And 12 divided by 1 equals 12. Very good job, you did it! Okay, now let's practice dividing by the number 2. You'll notice that this time our dividends are not the numbers 1 through 12. If you remember, this is because we are only practicing dividing evenly divisible numbers. So our dividends will all be multiples of our divisor, or in this case, they'll all be multiples of the number 2. You may also notice that our dividends, or the numbers we are dividing, are the answers to our multiplication problems. So looking at these equations, we can kind of see in our minds the corresponding multiplication problems. If we multiply our answer to our division problem by our divisor, that will give us our dividend. It's kind of the opposite. For example, 1 times 2 equals 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And you'll also notice that when we're working with the number 2, we're just dividing these numbers in half to have 2 equal groups. Okay, are you ready? Let's go! 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. And 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Very good job! Now let's practice dividing by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. And 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Great job! Okay, now let's practice dividing by the number 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. And 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Good job. Now let's practice dividing by 5. You're doing great. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. 55 divided by 5 equals 11. And 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Way to go! Alright, now let's practice dividing by the number 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. 66 divided by 6 equals 11. And 72 divided by 6 equals 12. Way to go, you are doing great. Now let's practice dividing by 7. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 28 divided by 7 equals 4. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. 49 divided by 7 equals 7. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. 63 divided by 7 equals 9. 70 divided by 7 equals 10. 77 divided by 7 equals 11. And 84 divided by 7 equals 12. Good job. Now let's practice dividing by 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 56 divided by 8 equals 7. 64 divided by 8 equals 8. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. 80 divided by 8 equals 10. 88 divided by 8 equals 11. And 96 divided by 8 equals 12. Good job. Okay, let's practice dividing by 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. 90 divided by 9 equals 10. 99 divided by 9 equals 11. And 108 divided by 9 equals 12. Excellent job. Okay, now let's practice dividing by the number 10. A helpful tip for when dividing numbers that end in 0 by 10, you'll notice that our answers are the dividends without the 0. So for this equation, 10 divided by 10, our answer is just this 1. It's the number in the tens place of our dividend. For 20 divided by 10, we just drop that 0 and our answer is 2. 30 divided by 10, we drop the 0 and our answer is 3. When we get over here to 3-digit numbers, we still just have to drop that 0 in the ones place. So 100 divided by 10, we just drop that 0, our answer is 10. 110 divided by 10, we drop that 0, so our answer is 11. Working with these numbers that end in 0 and dividing by 10 can be a lot of fun because all you have to do is just drop a 0. Let's begin. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. 50 divided by 10 equals 5. 60 divided by 10 equals 6. 70 divided by 10 equals 7. 80 divided by 10 equals 8. 90 divided by 10 equals 9. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 110 divided by 10 equals 11. And 120 divided by 10 equals 12. Good job! Okay, now let's practice dividing by the number 11. One thing that I love about math is that there are so many patterns, and once you start to recognize these patterns, it makes math a lot easier, and the number 11 can be a lot of fun. If you look at the numbers 1 through 9, the answers for 1 through 9, you'll notice that these answers are the same number as one of the digits that's in our dividend. So when we divide 11 by 11, in the dividend 11, there are 2 ones, so our answer is 1. 22 divided by 11, there's 2 2's in the dividend, so our answer is 2. Same for 33, and this will be true all the way up until we get to the number 9. Now when we start working with 3-digit numbers, it's a little different, but there's still a pattern. Instead of just being one of the digits in our dividend, you'll notice that now we have 2 of the digits in our dividend. Only these 2 numbers are the number in our hundreds place and the number in our ones place. It's like we just drop the middle number. So 110 divided by 11 will be 10. 121 divided by 11 will be the 1 and the 1, or 11. 132, we just drop that 3, and our answer is 12. Okay, let's practice each of these equations. Are you ready? Let's go. 11 divided by 11 equals 1. 22 divided by 11 equals 2. 33 divided by 11 equals 3. 44 divided by 11 equals 4. 55 divided by 11 equals 5. 66 divided by 11 equals 6. 77 divided by 11 equals 7. 88 divided by 11 equals 8. 99 divided by 11 equals 9. 110 divided by 11 equals 10. 121 divided by 11 equals 11. And 132 divided by 11 equals 12. Good job. Okay, we are on to our last one. Now we're going to practice dividing by the number 12. Now, we have already practiced all of these equations except for the very last one, 144 divided by 12. Other than that one, these equations are all of the equations that you already just practiced. They are the last equation in each set that we've already done. So, let's practice these together. Are you ready? Let's go. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. 36 divided by 12 equals 3. 48 divided by 12 equals 4. 60 divided by 12 equals 5. 72 divided by 12 equals 6. 84 divided by 12 equals 7. 96 divided by 12 equals 8. 108 divided by 12 equals 9. 120 divided by 12 equals 10. 132 divided by 12 equals 11. And the last one, 144 divided by 12 equals 12. Way to go! Wow! And that brings us to the end of this practice video. You just practiced all of the division math facts for the numbers 1 to 12. Amazing job! Thank you so much for joining me. Keep practicing and you will soon have all of these division math facts memorized.